Try to imagine hundreds of thousands of lakes, rivers, creeks, and ponds, many having never played host to humans. Now think of the potential of these untouched bodies of water.
Fishing is incredible. We have amazing pike fishing, trout, and grayling.
The enormity of fishing opportunities in Canada's north is one anglers need to experience to even begin to fathom the vast expanse of land, water, and angling availability. In the province of Saskatchewan, on a single island amongst 500,000 acres of fishable water, a fishing lodge was constructed. What was built is truly something special. This fishing lodge would grow to become one of the most revered angling destinations in North America.
So we got a big fish on here. Don't think he knows he's hooked yet. Strong fish, cold water. Just a month and a bit after ice out, putting this 9-weight to use. To work. Good job. Fun, fun, fun. There he is. Good spot, man. That is cool. Good fish. 8 boat side.
Okay, slow movement, following.
Oh, nice. That's a good one. I think this is the biggest fish in the trip.
This lodge was built on a small island in the middle of nowhere, amongst these hundreds of thousands of fishable acres. Built here simply because of the access to excellent fishing. Welcome to Scott Lake Lodge in the far north of Saskatchewan. This big fish adventure starts right now on the New Fly Fisher.